Hello and welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Time to unite the Congress and defeat the BJP in the country, says Navidin Emile Luis Ferrero. He said that his dream is to bring the divided Congress family, as always played a unifying role in the history of this country, back together to fight the forces of destruction. However, my commitment to Goa is paramount, and I must take this step so that my dream to bring one dawn and a new dawn to Goa can be realized.
I have not resigned from the Congress because I belong to the Congress party. Congress party is not only a party. Congress party has been a movement started by our father of the nation, by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, by Sardar Patel, by Indira Gandhi, by Rajiv Gandhi. So Congress party is a movement. And I belong to the Congress family. I believe in his ideology, in his philosophy, in his principles, in his programs, and for what Congress has stood all along in the history of this country. This Congress family is fragmented. We have got one side, Mamata Congress, YSR Congress, Sharad Pawar Congress. Congress is divided. Congress is weak. And we are going to fight the divisive forces which are ruling at the center and ruling the state. There is a need for unified Congress. There is a need for Congress to come together. And those leaders who have shown the way and succeeded to fight against the BJP, they have to come together. We have to bring them together. And it is my dream that in this assembly elections, we start. But finally, in the ensuing parliamentary elections, we should all come together. And I'm sure all the secular-minded people, leaders, will follow this and will ensure that Congress once again, a party, a movement which has brought this country freedom, will also bring freedom for this country from these divisive forces which are destroying this country and this state. I have started. And therefore I said my resignation is a call for unification. I appeal and I request the people of state. Our enemy is BJP. Our goal is to defeat these divisive forces. I am a fighter. I have fought all along my life. I'm going to fight. And I want to call the forces and be a part of this movement to defeat the divisive forces and bring a new dawn in Goa. I think I have said enough. And I'm sure just like the movement for official language, just like the movement for statehood, just like the movement for reservation of Goans and Goans which I spearheaded, just like the movement which we had in Goa, where the people supported and blessed, the people of Goa will support and bless, because today we have got a lot of issues. There is an issue where Goa has become a coal destination. We have signed with Adanis and Jindas to bring 11 million tons of coal. We are destroying our rivers. River Mahadevi, which represents 60% of the lifeline of the people of Goa. And then we are talking The water from the Mahadev basin is already shifted to the Malaprabha basin. I have said, today, Congress family is divided. And definitely, you have to think out of the box. We have to see who has got the power to face the present dispensation which is ruling in Delhi and ruling in Goa. Definitely, I will support Mamata Congress because she has fought, she has succeeded. Being a woman, for me, she symbolizes woman empowerment which can bring this country back on the rails of development and progress. Whether I will contest or not, but definitely I am going to lead a movement in the state of Goa and in the country. The legal department at Delhi, Mr. Mittal, I said, what should I do? He said, sir, you give a letter immediately to the governor and ask that since we are single largest, you have to call us. But then the in charges of Goa from Delhi stopped me from giving this letter to the governor. Thereafter, the rest is history. I was pained, I was shattered. Next day, when we lost the government, they told me at the CLP, you are selected with 13 votes out of 17 votes. You are selected as a leader of opposition, as a CLP leader. As an MLA, I have resigned as a primary member of Congress party, but I belong to the Congress family.
Which Congress family?
The family which gave us freedom.
Which Congress family?
Overall Congress family. And you wait and see. We are going to start a movement to free Goa and movement to fight against the divisive force.
When are you joining TMC? When are you joining TMC?
I will inform you. It won't be very long. I will come and inform you. Thank you.
Congress leader Luiz Ferreira tendered his resignation as a member of the Legislative Assembly on Monday ahead of his entry into Mamata Banerjee-led Trinamool Congress Party. Ferreira tendered his resignation to the Speaker of Goa, Rajesh Patnaikar.
But I have resigned as an MLA so that my dream to build, consolidate, strengthen and unify the Congress family at the state level and at the national level. And I will work hard to do so.
So is Luiz trying to get all Congress platforms together and make it one Congress family?
See, my dream is, you see, Congress doesn't belong to anybody. Congress was a movement started by the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Sardar Patel, so many tallest leaders. So that this Congress family has been today divided. Philosophy, Congress ideology, Congress principles and Congress programs will be always near and dear to me. And if I resign as an MLA, is to consolidate, and you will see my steps. Today you have to see who can give a strong opposition to Narendra Modi,
At the center.
to the BJP. We will have to find out this Congress, bring them together, and you will see today evening itself when I am going to address.
So you have been started from Goa itself?
No, that is another story. You see, I have not brought Congress to power, absolute majority, first time this time. Last time also, I brought 21 MLAs when I was leading as a president. What happened? Who defeated us? It's the Congress people only. It was a painful silence, but more than my pain, I know for the last 4.5 years, it was the pain of the people who voted and elected Congress party to power. We defeated the BJP chief minister and total cabinet. And I felt that was bigger pain. In fact, when I resigned as a PCC president, when I said I don't want CLP leader, I had thought that I will maintain this dignified silence, and I did it. Because people are also suffering. Today, I have decided what I had decided that day. In fact, I wanted to resign, but then I thought Luizen Falero took a decision at the last moment, just 15 days before the 2017 elections, to contest. And people had blessed me, asking me, Luizen Falero has left Congress? No, I have not left Congress. Congress ideology, Congress policies, Congress programs is very near and dear to me.
पण तू पुढे खंयचे काँग्रेसीन आसतले इंदिरा
That I will tell you.
Or
I will
Mamta
see
Congress.
that this four Congress is my dream, to get these four Congresses
So it will
together.
start from Goa then?
It has to start from
Okay,
Goa.
what
I
is
can
that
talk
one?
something in the
That's
evening.
one, sir. At the moment, you have not joined any political party, but if joined TMC, can TMC make its presence in Goa?
Who is fighting Modi today? What is that Mamta formula which has won against the Modi? Modi had 200 meetings. Amit Shah had more than 200 meetings. And then all this power and all that. Who has been? It is a woman's empowerment. It is a powerful force. And Congress has to use the powerful forces to fight. So our fight is not against Congress, our fight is against BJP.
With Luizen Falero tendering his resignation from the Congress Party, GPCC General Secretaries Advocate Yatish Naik and Vijay Pai and Secretary Mario Pinto also tendered their resignation from the respective posts. Speaking to Herald and HCN, Yatish said that the purpose of him resigning from the Congress Party is to defeat the BJP in the state and the country.
आणि आमी काँग्रेसमॅन उरतले, काँग्रेसमॅन आशिल्ले आनी काँग्रेसमॅन उरतले आनी जे BJPक सत्ते वयल्यान भायर उडोवपाक जाय करपाक तितलेंय करतले.
आता हे खंयचे काँग्रेस INC काय TMC?
आयच्या दिसा आमी INCतल्यान रिजायन दिलें, पूण हांव खंयच्या अजून पक्षान वचूं अजून.
हेच आयकोंक येता की तुमी TMCक जॉयन जावपाचे आहा.
आयकूंक येता तुका, हांव सांगला म्हणसर राव.
एनी स्कोप गोवान आहा फॉर द TMC?
लोकांक BJP नाका, लोकांक बरें प्रशासन जाय, लोकांक बरें एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जाय, बरें गव्हर्नन्स मेकॅनिझम जाय. जें करची गरज आसा गोंया खातीर तितलेंय करपाची कॅपेसिटी आसा ते करतले.
हय, फाटल्या दिसा
BJP सरकाराक उडोवपाक आनी बरें प्रशासन हाडपाक जें कितें करची गरज आसा तितलें करतले.
ओके, फाटल्या दिसांनी खुबशे घडामोड जाला. तुम्ही येयल्ले प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स, तुज्या फाटल्यान सुरेंद्र आनी प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन आपले हे सांगले कितें मिटींग जायना, हे जायना म्हणून दोगांचेर.
काय कोणाचें उलोवपाचें ना, हांव म्हजें सांगूंक शकता तुका, हांव आनी कोणा खातीर उलोवंक शकना. सारकें?
ओके. आनी आयज लुइझिनान रेजिग्नेशन दिलां एज ए MLA. कशें पळयता तुमी?
ना, तुका ताका विचारपा जाय तुमी ताका विचारप, म्हाका कितें विचारपा जाय म्हाका विचारप.
Former MGP MLA Lou Mamledar is most likely to join the TMC tomorrow. He said that I'm flying to Kolkata tomorrow to join the party. Lou also said that Mamta Banerjee's performance in West Bengal is highly appreciated and her performance is the best. We will try to contest in all the 40 constituencies. Lou also said that he will contest from the Madkai constituency.
Prashant Kishore is making a survey of it. Scrutinize करता सगळे candidate. Even म्हाका जेन्ना approach जाला तेन्ना they wanted me to contest from Ponda. हांवें सांगलें की Ponda I don't want to contest only because Ravi Naik आनी म्हाजे पळय हें आशिल्लें तें patched up आनी again Ravi Naikaच्या against किंवा his फॅमिलीचे मेंबरा against रावप where म्हाका हें दिसना. I will rather not contest election अशें सांगतकीर मागीर जे मेडे सर्वे येवन शिरोडा मडकय सालिगांव एंड पर्वरी आनी दे आर इंडिकेटींग आय शूड कॉन्टेस्ट फ्रोम मडकय जी तुमी काम चालू आसा तेंचे 40 ते प्रोबेबल जिखपाचे कॅन्डिडेट हें करता. हय.
सो दे आर अप्रोचिंग द लीडर ऑफ एज वेल एज काँग्रेस एज वेल एज
न्ही दे आर नॉट अप्रोचिंग लिडर एज सच. म्हाका म्हाज्या हेजे प्रमाणे ते कोणें खंय फाटलीं हें केल्लें कोण हें आसा म्हणजे बरे कॅन्डिडेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फाटल्या दिसांनी व्हिडियो पळयलो तुमी तेतून प्रेस आनी जे हेजे रायटर्स बिजर ते गेल्ले कलकत्ता त्या लोकांक सुद्दां एप्रोच जाले. सगळ्या लोकांक एप्रोच जाता ते म्हणजे लोकांक खंयचे निवडून येवपाक शकता तें करतात.
मोस्ट ऑफ द काँग्रेस leaders are being sidelined and all. You will be looking for target them to took into the Congress TMC. कोणाक सायडलायन केला पळय सध्या
पळय प्रशांत किशोर जेन्ना पळय काम करता हांगा ही वील लूक फॉर प्रोबेबल म्हणजे विनेबल कॅन्डिडेट्स ते घेतले आनी समज पडले जाल्यार आय डोंट टू टेक नेम. त्याच आतां BJP आज पेपरार वचला हांवें दे आर सायडलायनींग 5 or 6 मिनिस्टर्स म्हणजे तेजे MLA तांकां दिवचे ना तिकेट म्हणून आयच्या पेपरार आसा. सो ते आमी हें कळना. एक्चुली आमी कॉन्फिडन्सान दवरलेले इतले दीस पण लुइजीन फालेरो आज रिजायन जालो. आमी वाट पळयताली लुइजीन फालेराची आनी त्या खातीर आज हांव लुइजीन फालेराचें अभिनंदन पयलीं करता कारण ताणें रायट टायमार रायट डिसिजन घेतला टू लीव काँग्रेस एंड जॉयन TMC. त्या बरोबर आमी आतां 15-20 दीस जाले हितूनच आसा. आमी मिटिंग्यो जावन हांवेंनूय डिसिजन घेतलां की आय एम ऑल्सो जॉयनींग TMC आनी आय एम फ्लायींग टू कलकत्ता टुमॉरो आनी डे आफ्टर आमी जॉयन जाता. आमी कलकत्ता ममतान फाटलीं पळय इलेक्शन हें केली सगळे गव्हर्मेंट टोटल गव्हर्मेंट एजन्सी वचून थंय कलकत्ताका हें केलें टू डिफीट ममता. पण ममता डबल फोर्सान वयर सरली थंय. कारण कित्याक ती गरीब लोकांक काम करता आनी कॉमन मनशा खातीर काम करता कॉमन मनशाचो वेलफेअर चिंतता हें आमकां दिसून येयलां म्हणून त्या लोकांनी ताका निवडून हाडल्या. आनी म्हाकाय दिसता की ममता सारको लिडरशीप हांगा मेळूं जाय. हू वील वर्क फॉर द कॉमन मॅन हू वील वर्क फॉर ग्रावंड रोडन पीपल. अशें हांगा चलना पळय स्वता खातीर काम करपाचें तशें ना जनते खातीर काम करपाचें अशें सरकार हांगा येवं जाय अशें म्हाकाय दिसता. म्हणून हांवें डिसायडीड TMC जॉयन करपाचें तें डिसिजन हांवें लॉंग बॅक घेतलें आनी आय एम ओपनिंग इट टुडे.
On Monday morning, before tendering his resignation from the Congress party, Navelim MLA Luisin Ferreira met his supporters and his residence and explained the reason for his move and this decision.
I seek your support. I'm going ahead. The roads may not be smooth, but those who dare will win. Those who are scared will never win. Not that I am going the first time. तुमच्या आदारान हांवें पयलेच पावट गोंया एब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी हाडली काँग्रेस पक्षाक. पण आनी कितें केलें काँग्रेसान आमचें सरकार उडयलें. दीस टायम हांव जेन्ना दिल्ली आशिल्लो सोनिया गांधीन म्हाका सांगलें तूं दिल्ली यो. म्हाका खूब दूख जातालें वचपाक कित्याक आय डिडंट वॉन्ट टू लीव गोवा बट आय लेफ्ट गोवा. आनी तुमच्या मागण्यांनी आनी देवाच्या आशिर्वादान God gave me success. I brought twice Congress government in Mizoram, twice in Arunachal Pradesh, twice in Meghalaya. I brought in Manipur, and even as the chairman of the election screening committee, I brought in Karnataka also. Tajuburan Mark Goya Pilo. I tried my best to get a majority. I would have got the majority, but I had 17 plus 1, and that night we had 21. But our own general secretary stopped me. He said, no, you cannot give the letter to the governor. Next day, that majority also was robbed away. Then I was elected, not selected, as a leader of opposition by 13 votes out of 17. Kidago amgel amdar sutra ashile. When the government was taken away, I told them, I don't want to be the leader of opposition. I don't want to be CLP leader. कित्याक लोक आमकडून विचारलो तुमकां मेजॉरिटी दिली तुमी कितें केलें
तुम सरकार उगडायलो तेज उपरांत आमगेलो जनरल सेक्रेटरी दिल्लीचो गेलो कोण आमदारा बरेक आनी सांगिल्लें लुईजन फालेर ना जाल्यार आमी 24 वरां भितर सरकार कोताय म्हण लुईजन फालेराक काळें एज अ PCC president I left CLP leadership. I came back and I told him हांव Delhi वता I will submit my resignation as a president. तुमी तरी 24 वरां भितर सरकार करूंक शकताय जाल्यार सरकार करूया. I am waiting for 24 hours to be completed. I am waiting for the government. Let me tell you, I have suffered in silence. It was a dignified silence. It was a pain. But I am not bothered about my pain. So for 4.5 years, if I have suffered in dignified pain and suffering, I am thinking of you. To me, going to Lokan, who has voted us. So if my suffering is so much, how much suffering will be yours who have supported the Congress party when you got the single largest majority? So let us stop this suffering. Let us start a new day with a new formula. And I can tell you, if you know a good way, if you have got a good roadmap, God will bring victory to the popular aspirations of Goa and Goans.
Congress observer Dinesh Gundu Rao arrived Goa on Monday evening amidst resignation of Luisin Falero, says that he has heard the developments regarding Luisin. He also added that the pouching policy of TMC is not in the interest of democracy and politics of Goa.
This is all known, it is not like it is a surprise. We knew it was all happening.
Some more members have also left the Congress. So,
see, all of them were all his close associates who were with him. And we knew this 15 days back only.
is there any dispute or something हो रहा है party members की तरफ से? Any split vertically they are talking about?
I feel like that will happen. But let us see how all these things develop.
So Luisin Falero going and Avantam together coming is a good guy?
No, we see in every constituency we have many options. And there are a lot of people, aspirants within Congress. So we have to select the best in all that. So we can't, I won't talk about any particular constituency now. So we do a proper survey and we do a feedback. That process will be there in the next month. We'll be doing all those things. And then the candidate process is another process. But many people have wanted to join Congress. Many people already joined Congress. Many people will be joining in the future also. So there are a lot of, because Congress is a strong party here. Some people for their personal agendas to gain some for their own personal benefits, they may be taking some decisions. But anyway, I will address certain things later on. I think there is a press conference today, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah, so any more members likely to leave the Congress? Any information that you have on them?
See, this is a democracy, and it should be a healthy democracy. Coming and trying to suddenly create a political party and trying to poach leaders from other political parties is not a good thing. Not a good thing for the culture of Goa. So what DMC is doing is, I think, not in the interest of Goa, not in the political interest of Goa, and not in the development of interest, not in the development interest of Goa. So this is like something which is, I think, party should be built from the grassroots level. No? Can't come from a helicopter, land and start picking up leaders. That is not a good thing. So I don't like this kind of politics, and I think Congress will fight this kind of politics. Yes, sometimes people join the party, like many people are joining the Congress. That they are joining because of they want to come to the Congress. But here this is the opposite.
So you are against the poaching policy?
This is poaching policies. You know? This is coming and trying to hijack, poach, and use all kinds of means, using money powers and all those things, which is not good, I think. It's not healthy politics.
So anything on alliance, sir? Sir.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Amidst commotions and detention, the authorities finally installed 2 new kiosks and kiosks wide by vacating the fruit vendors outside the GMC complex. Police have detained 17 persons, including leaders for their protest outside the GMC in support of the displaced kiosk owners.
कोणाक परमनंट दिवंक ना बेश्टी बसयल्ले कोणूच ना अजून परमनंट कोण ना कोणीच दिवंक ना कोणाक
आज तुमकां सगळ्यांक
ना बाबा सगळ्यांक ना फक्त दीन दयाल 5 गाडी
5 गाडी फक्त आनी तुमी बसताली ती आतां कितें केलें
बसताली ती सध्या तरी आता पुलिशेन आहा
पुलीस स्टेशनान गेले
पुलिशेन आहा
तांकां
येयल्या भरून येयल्या अजून ती येवन आता हांकां पळय ती आतां कशी बसतली कितें तेंचेर डिपेंड
म्हणजे तेंच्यांनी आतां मार्किंग इतलो पर्यंत केला तांकां आतां तेच्या फुडें कंटिन्युएशन
पयलीं कितें सांगलेलें आमकां हें कंपाउंड मोडून सगळ्यांक घालता दीन दयाल सुद्दां तितून भितर आशिल्ले न्ही सो दीन दयाल गेले कोर्टाक आमी कोर्टाक वचोंक ना आमी MLAच्या दारांनी भोंवता न्ही सो आमचें अजून कांय जावंक ना आतां 10:30 येयात तुमी येता जाल्यार
MLAक मेळपाक वतले
MLAक मेळोंक वयतली 10:30 टॉणींगेर
पुलीस कितल्यांक येयले हिंगा
पुलीस बाबा सकाळीं
कितल्यांक 4
5:30 दिसता 5:30 आमकां फोन केलो आमी राती 2 गेले 2 राती आली ती बाबडी हांगाच रावताली
5:30 आनी हे कितल्यांक हे तांकां डिटेन केले
सारके हे केले 6:30
6:30
म्हणजे हे जालें तेंचें आमकां जागो खाली करून दिया कितें तेंचें उलोवप खूब जालें मागीर ती गाडे देंवोवपाक तेंच्यांनी आयकना म्हणून गाडी फुडें घेतली पळय ती सगळी न्हिदली जोमनीर ते जोमनीर न्हिदतकच तेंकां सगळ्यांक भरून व्हेली तेंच्यांनी
तेच्या वांगडा
रामा काणकोणकर आनी रामराव वाघ आसा पुलिशेन आसा हय
आनी कितले जाणांक गेल्या टोटल जाणां तुमी
सद्या आमी बसीन घालून येल्या कितल्या जाणांक कावंट करूंक ना सो आमी हांगा बसली नाल्यार आमी आसतले ते दोगांय आमी हांगा बसले
तुमकां नोटीस बिटीस कितें दिला तशें
आमकां नोटीस बीन कांय ना दितलो नोटीस आनी आतां तेंचे कडेन ती नोटीस मागताली कितें तुमकां होच जागो दिला घालपाक ह्याच जाग्यार हायकोर्टाची ऑर्डर मागलेली पूण अजून कोणी मामलेदार आहा सगळे आहा पूण ऑर्डर दाखोवंक ना तेंच्यांनी बाबा तुमकां होच जागो दिल हें केलें आमी कांय दाखोवंक ना आतां कशें कितें तें आतां डिपेंड आमच्या दोगांय MLAंचेर आहा न्ही फुडें आतां फुडलो लोक आसा आनीक उरल्या गाडेकारां ते 5 जाण जाले आनीक गाडेकारां आहा आतां फ्रूटवाले आहा तांकां आतां खंय घालतले कितें कांयच खबर ना आनी हें म्हणून म्हाका दिसना परमनंट म्हणून हें VIP रोड वो फाल्यां सकाळीं काड म्हणल्यार तांकां सुद्दां काडटले हे
पूण हे हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर
हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर आशिल्ल्यार ऑर्डर मागीर परत हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर काडूंक सोदता आनी तांकां काडा म्हणून तेंय आसा मागीर
हायकोर्टान सगळे आसा
आमी आसा हायकोर्टान पूण आमी कितें जालें
आमकां जागे दिल्ले आमकां कितें जालें मागीर
आमी
दुसरे काडले तेंच्यान न्हू तर आमकां जाय आमकां जागो जाय ते सगळे काडले मागीर सगळे आनी मागीर हांगा
पयलीं आमी आशिल्ले पूण आमी वचोंक ना हायकोर्टान आमची फायल आसा हायकोर्टान आमी हायकोर्टान वचोंक ना आमी MLAच्या दारांनी वयता न्ही
आमची फायल अजून
आतां पळोवया कशें कितें जाता आनी कितें तें फुडें
पूण आतां कितें आतां तुमी हिंगासान कंटिन्यू करतली
फ्रुट्सवाली
ती कंटिन्यू
करतली आनी अजून आमी नको
आमच्या अजून आमी आतां ते टॉनी कडेन मिटींग दवरल्या 10:30 आपयल्या आयज पळोवया कशें कितें जाता
ते परमनंट दिता म्हटलेले ते पावले तुमचे
तेच आतां विचारूंक वयतली आमी आयज कितें तें कांयच ना
बांदून दिता आनी आतां सुद्दां आमदाराच्या फुडें वचत जाल्यार पयर बांदून दिता आनी आतां सुद्दां आमदाराच्या फुडें वचत जाल्यार पयर आमी गेले तेणी तेन्ना सुद्दां आमकां सांगला तुमकां बांदून दिता पूण बांदून दिता जाल्यार काडले कशें आमकां
अजून त्यांचं प्रोसिजर जायना नांवां घेवन नांवां अजून तांकां पावत ना परत नांवां
डेमॉलिश करता तेन्ना नांवां ऑलरेडी आहा न्ही आनी ते परमाणी कोण आहा पळय हांगा कंटिन्यू कोण आसले न्ही तांकांच घाला तुमी घरा कडेन बीन आहा त्या लोकांक कित्याक हांगा हाडूंक जाय कित्याक करूंक जाय
दुसऱ्यांक आनीक हाडून घालूंक सोदता
तशें आहा तेंच्या भितर आसा थोड्यांच्या भितर न्यू नांवां तेंच्यांनी एड केल्या ती नांवां नाका न्ही आमकां आनी ती कोण नवी कोणाक घालता न्ही तांकां आमी फायट करतले
The GFA annual charity match to mark the launch of the new 2021-22 football season will be held on the 1st of October between the champions Sporting Club de Goa and runners-up Dempo Sports Club at the Duler Stadium, Mapsa at 4 o'clock.
The football season, the official season 2021-22 will kick off on 1st October 2021 at the Duler Stadium in Mapsa with the charity match between last year's champions, that is Sporting Club de Goa, and last year's runners-up, that is Dempo Sports Club. The match is an annual feature, and these two teams will fight for the honors of the day, and that will launch us into the Selwell Goa Professional League, which will start in the third week of October, again at Dulair Stadium in Mapsa. This is an annual feature, and the returns of this match, because it will be a match where tickets will be priced, and that will be going for the general benevolent fund for the players. We have not named any player this year because of this COVID-19 situation, but there will be entry on a very restricted basis and limited number of tickets. Just to launch, we are having this match on 1st of October.
There will be ticket or open for the people?
No, this being for a cause, it's going for a cause for those players who may need some assistance from us. So there will be tickets for both the stands, and VVIP tickets will be priced at a little higher rate. And no cards will be issued, no cards will be validated because it is for a cause. It's going for a players' benevolent fund.
Okay, how many total of people can be accommodated there?
See, with strong COVID protocol that we have, in the north stand we'll have about 100 people. Then the VVIP will have about 50, and the other stand will have another 100 or 200 people. So about 500 people if we have, that's enough for us.
Now for the weather forecast. The Indian Meteorological Department, the IMD Goa, has informed a cyclonic storm, that is Gulab, is likely to increase the rainfall in the state. The weekend led into a deep depression and we are centered at 8:40 in the morning, that's today, over the South Odisha and adjoining South Chhattisgarh. The storm is likely to move nearly westward and weaken into a depression during the 6 hours into the
IMD ने पहले ही फोरकास्ट किया था कि 27 से रेनफॉल इंक्रीज होने के चांसेस हैं, और 27th, 28th और 29th सितंबर को 3 दिन हेवी रेनफॉल होने के चांसेस है आइसोलेटेड प्लेसेस में गोवा के ऊपर. और इन दैट 27th को there is possibility of very heavy rainfall also, that is rainfall exceeding 11.5 centimeters in 24 hours. There is, on 27th there is possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over north and south Goa districts, and on 28th and 29th there is possibility of isolated heavy rainfall. और ये दिनों में शॉर्ट इंटेंस स्पेल्स और रेनफॉल के साथ साथ अराउंड 40 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर तक के विंड स्पीड के भी चांसेस हैं. और आने वाले दिनों में भी ये रेनफॉल और विंड स्पीड सब जो सिस्टम के बारे में हम बोल रहे थे उसके लोकेशन और इंटेंसिटी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट रहेगा. इसलिए प्लीज़ बी रेगुलरली अपडेटेड अबाउट द वेदर वार्निंग्स दैट IMD इश्यूज इन दिस कमिंग डेज. अभी आज के दिन का लेटेस्ट रडार इमेज हम देखेंगे तो हम देख सकते हैं कि देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन इन द नॉर्थ वेस्ट सेक्टर ऑफ गोवा. There is good possibility that these clouds will approach Goa coast in the afternoon or in the late evening, and rainfall activity may pick up over Goa in the late hours of today. So जैसे ये सिस्टम का मूवमेंट होगा वेस्ट नॉर्थ वेस्टवर्ड, तो उसके साथ विंड स्पीड भी बढ़ने वाला है along the coast. On 28th and 29th along Maharashtra Goa coast, wind speed could be around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour. तो इसलिए it is advised that fishermen should not venture into sea along and off South Maharashtra Goa coast, even the entire Maharashtra Goa coast on 28th and 29th of September. Once again, it is requested that please be updated with the warnings issued by IMD. All this information is available on IMD's social media accounts and also on its website.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thank you for watching HCM.